Here's the issue. You've built a repair shop with a great reputation, but your techs are spending more time on paperwork than actually fixing trucks. ShopPulse automates the tasks that slow you down, like work orders, inventory management, and invoicing. Import diagnostic scans, create detailed estimates, and invoice customers, all with just a few clicks. Plus, it's easy to schedule customers for routine maintenance, so your business keeps growing, while the paperwork, it's left behind. Try ShopPulse today and simplify your approach to shop management.